Good morning everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome again to my channel, English with Malak, in another video. Today we have a special video far away from introductions. So today we will talk about easy English words about house. So this video will be about beginners in English. So if you are excited and interested, let's begin with the first room. Let's start by bedroom. Bedroom words. The first thing is bed. Bed. For example, I sleep on the bed. I sleep on the bed. Second word, pillow. Pillow. For example, I put my head on the pillow. Pillow. Third word, blanket. Blanket. For example, the blanket keeps me warm. The blanket keeps me warm. Fourth word, lamp. Lamp. For example, the lamp gives light at night. The lamp gives light at night. The fifth word is closet. Closet. The closet. For example, I keep my clothes in the closet. I keep my clothes in the closet. Okay, here, great job. Let's move to the next room. Think, what is it? Guess it. Kitchen. The kitchen words. Let's start by the first thing. Table. Table. For example, we eat on the table. We eat on the table. Second word, chair. Chair. I sit on the chair. I sit on the chair. Third word, plate. Plate. We eat food on the plate. We eat food on the plate. Next word, cup. Cup. I drink water from a cup. I drink water from a cup. And the fifth word, or the last word, is spoon. Spoon. For example, I eat soup with a spoon. I eat soup with a spoon. Great job. Let's move to the next room. Guess it. And yay, because you are learning really fast, right? Let's move to the bathroom, right? Let's talk about the bathroom words. First word, toothbrush. Toothbrush. I brush my teeth with a toothbrush. I brush my teeth with a toothbrush. For example, the toothbrush is used to brush our teeth. So I give two examples with different ways. Let's move to the next word. Toothpaste. Repeat after me these words. Toothpaste. For example, I put the toothpaste on the toothbrush. The toothbrush and the toothpaste. I put the toothpaste on the toothbrush. Let's move to the third word. Towel. Towel. I dry my hands with a towel. I dry my hands with a towel. Next word, mirror. Repeat it after me. Mirror. Mirror. For example, I look at myself on the mirror. I look at myself on the mirror. Next word. The last word is, or the next word is soap. Soap and soup are really different. The soup is the food, the soup. And the soap is the soap with what we wash our hands. We wash it with a soup. Then water, then we dry our hands with a towel, right? Okay, we said soap. For example, I wash my hands with soap. I wash my hands with soap. Clean and clever. Let's move to the next part, or the last part. The living room words. Are you ready? Let's begin with word number 1. Sofa. Sofa. For example, I sit on the sofa to relax. I sit on the sofa to relax. Next word. TV. TV or television. Television. But an easy word is TV. TV. For example, I watch cartoons on TV. I watch cartoons on the TV. Third word. Window. Window. For example, I look outside through the window. I look outside through the window, right? Let's move to the fourth word, I think. Yes, the fourth word. Carpet. Carpet. Carpet, for example. Oh, the carpet is soft on the floor. The carpet is soft on the floor. And the last word is clock. Clock. The clock. Do you know what is the clock? Yes, the clock. The clock tells us the time. The clock tells us the time, right? And that's it. So that's it. We reached the end of today's video. I hope that you enjoyed today's lesson for beginners. And do you want such as these videos or not? Tell me in the comments below. Take care.